we decided to come to Petsmart, and they're having a cat adoption. On est venu à Petsmart, puis on dit, il adopte les minous. Look at that. Oh, that looks like Ralph. Our sound comes. Ralph. We got ours from this organization, and we've had ours since December 28th. And I can touch Bean, but I can't touch Dusty. But these I can touch. Nous avons un show. Depuis le 28 décembre, puis je peux toucher Bean, mais je peux pas toucher Dusty. Oh, look at that one. That's a nice one. Truffle. So the fun we're having now. The fun till now. So come to Plattsburgh at PetSmart and get your cat. Well, we got a deal. Because we got both of them for $140. One of them is $125. Alrighty. So